Oh, she sails. Oh my gosh, she sails. Oh my gosh, that probably just broke the wing. The brakes, the air. Okay, well, we got a couple scrapes already. Let's check the wing. Solid. Okay, broke something. Broke something for sure. Alright guys, as you can see in that video right there, this is that drive cup. You see, it has this stiff one-piece spring steel clip. Unfortunately, that still failed. I believe this is the exact same design that is being used from CML or Team Corelli now as the solution, but Team Corelli just calls it like a service kit on their website, right? Well, this is the one that came on my Team Corelli 6S Kagama right out of the box. It broke on the first battery, so I immediately ordered more from Team Corelli. They contacted me back under warranty, sent me 2 more as well under warranty, and then I was impatient and I went to my local hobby shop and I bought some more as well. I thought because the ones at my hobby shop were probably older and sitting on the shelf for a while, that's why they still came with these spiral clips. I figured that when I purchased the new Team Corelli Kagama from Hobby Explosion, I figured that this was the new design because they figured out that this doesn't work. So when I bought my new ones from the hobby shop, I thought, oh, well, they're old stock. That's why they have this on there. This actually fits, I believe, the Dementor as well. And, well, unfortunately, Team Corelli sends me out more spiral clips. And this is actually a rear axle, which is an upgrade part for the Kagama, but all 6 replacements, front CVD axles that I got came with this spiral clip design. And I know for a fact that it's Velocity that's sending this pin out to one side of this cup. And once you get the pin off center, that Velocity just takes over and centrifugal force sends the pin out and it completely eats the hub up. After welding it, I realized for sure that this is the problem, because if I can drive my car so hard after welding it that I break the whole axle, 100%, that's the failure problem, right? So which is why you can't expect everybody in the industry to go out and weld their hubs like this. So that's why I designed this collar, which fits down over here. And just, this is worn out. It's been pushed on and off so many times, but when they're new, they got a nice crispy slide on. And you can even throw a little bit of glue on here to prevent it from coming off. And you can pick your own color, whatever. And this fits up into the hub and tightens up that gap so dirt doesn't get up into your bearing as well. I'm not just trying to sell people my parts or something like that, okay? But I test this a lot to come outside for some better lighting. That's what happens to your hubs when the pin comes out. Can you see it's almost completely eaten through the bottom there? I popped this side off the ring, okay? Same thing with that. Can you see how much of that hub is eaten up from this happening over and over and over again? That's why I put these rings on, and it stops this from happening. It works absolutely amazing. The service kit is great too. Just in case you end up breaking one or you land real hard and this ring busts, they are plastic. That's why I provide 5 of them in the kit. You pay for 4, I send you 5 just in case one breaks in shipping, which it shouldn't. These are nice tough rings, but I'm sending them in a padded envelope, okay? And it's free shipping.